Say in life more time you have to know what you do. Cause what goes around comes around. So you know say something named karma. Yo! The games they play with like we treat the distractions I repeat. I rub with the night with it. To what we be and the shit we pull up them style on it. Everything was so discreet where you have to enter whatever we do nobody else can see it. Me can't reveal all of the things that when me do to you. You're good to me, me not good to you. I look on the things we put you through. But it's a one with me and you. No.
Me go send them now. By the way, why you want me ultrasound pictures?
Oh, me have a project to do with my daughter. Yeah, she be carrying it tomorrow. Me don't even know why our teacher stress me out here with them type of homework here.
Susie, what kind of homework that teacher want the child to do? How she expect Tessan to go get ultrasound picture after you not breed?
Natasha, you ask so much question. Just send me picture then come. Later me call you. Bye. Good afternoon, sir. Boy, I'm glad feels with AC. Me say what I do hot.
Yeah, this one not bad. How can I help you today?
Yeah, me want you print 4 picture for me. How much it cost?
4, you say? That will be $350.
Good. But me want you crop out the old date panny and put on today's date panny. You can't do that, right?
Yes, but that will cost you a lot more than $350.
So how much that I go cost now?
Give me $5,000. I'm gonna match up that fee in 5 minutes.
Hey Bingy, how are you? How you manage for the home this time of day?
I just want to stay home today with my family. Something wrong with that?
No, Bingy. Actually, that's a good thing. Did I tell you that Barry come here yesterday?
Him tell me say him come at the gate and call. And you tell him say me not there, so him left.
Oh, that's all him say? So him never tell you saying, tell me saying you say, Natasha breed for you.
Susie, what the ass you say Barry did I say? You really never did I hear good. Barry and my friend, him would have never do nothing like that.
No pay them no mind, Bingy. I saw them a people at tan. When they say 2 young couple that live happy, I saw them walk and spread the room upon them. Bet you any money say people them in the community them a do it. The same people them we get up and talk to it every day. Me say them a people that them wicked.
Oh God, me head no feel good, you know. How much one man can bear? Barry a really pussy, you know.
Bingy, you're lucky you didn't stress yourself about what people are say. Me no believe that. Me know that I'm not true. So you don't need to listen to what people are say. Them just bad mind and jealous.
Me know Susie, but me can't believe people so wicked for you go around and talk them things there.
Me know true them want me left you or true them want you left me. Them no like to see young people happy together.
Me not paying them no mind, Susie, but the bag of lies hurt. Poor me. Me not even know if Natasha a man or a woman.
Bet say them soon start spread the rumor say you breed Keisha too. Them a people, them no easy. Bingy, me I go start cooking dinner now. Looking at my handbag, you see 2 Maggie season. Pass them, give me please.
Where you back there? Oh, me see it on the table. Me not like going a woman handbag, you know. Susie, what the ass is this? Susie, this not possible. Tell me this a mistake.
What? What you talk about?
Ultrasound pictures. What is this supposed to mean? Susie, why you stare upon me so? Me say, what the ass is this?
Oh, it's not what you're thinking. It's for Tessan project for school.
Oh, but this have on to the date. Plus, you have been out all day.
Oh, it's a girl. Me see her come out of one doctor office today, so me just beg her a copy.
Okay, you just frightened me.
Let me send them picture here to Roman. Maybe when he get them, he change his mind from come to Jamaica. Shit! He might call me. Lord, please make it good. Hello, Roman.
Susie, what is this you sent me on my phone?
It's the ultrasound picture, Roman.
Susie, why did you go to the doctor without me? You were to call me back to confirm when you'd be available so I could book my ticket.
The doctor changed the date and I had to go. It was the only date left.
Susie, are you trying to prevent me from being a part of my child's life? Why are you making this so damn difficult, woman? It's my child too.
I thought you would be happy. I sent you the ultrasound picture so that you wouldn't have to come to Jamaica and waste the money to buy plane fare.
Susie, you're getting me upset. I want to bond with my unborn child, not with a damn piece of paper.
Well, that is the only ultrasound. I'm not doing no more ultrasound for now, so that's just it. The doctor fully booked with it, so I have no more ultrasound for the right now.
Susie, I'm coming to Jamaica. Whether you like it or not, I won't play games when it comes to my child. Bye, Susie.
Lord God, please help me. What me I going to do?
Yes, Daddy.
Tessan, how your projects coming along?
What project are you talking about, Daddy? I am not doing a project, Daddy.
The project you're doing with your mother with the ultrasound pictures.
You're not giving me a project to do about ultrasound, Daddy. I don't have any homework, Father.
Susie, you lied to me. Susie is pregnant and I hide it from me.